Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I'm working my 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Now several weeks ago I did a video on how to replace the engine bay battery in the Hybrid. Now with the Hybrid Fusion it's a little more difficult. You have to take a few more things off to even get to the battery. But one of the viewers, I also think he is subscribed to Scott's Garage, he asked me a question if I could do a separate video on how to change the air filter. So that's what this video was supposed to be about. I told him it would take a couple weeks for me to do it. And so as I researched it, I learned some things. Now this is for 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. I don't think this is the case when it comes to later models or earlier models of the Hybrid. I think it's Hybrid only, but for 2012. In 2012, Ford came up with what's called a Forever air filter, and there it is. And you can buy a Forever air filter for $235.08. And I'm not going to do that. There's no way I would ever pay that much. And it's supposed to be a Forever filter, so they don't want you to replace it. Even when I read it, you cannot easily separate it. There probably is a little filter in there, but again, it's not meant to be replaced. I will tell you where it's located and my guess as to how to get to it. So there's the battery. Here's the air that eventually makes its way to the throttle body, and on the right side of the battery and actually below the battery, go way down. If you follow that way down there, it's kind of hard to see with this lighting of the camera, but I can see what appears to be this little tab, plastic tab. I believe it's vertical, and it goes along the wheel well and is attached this way. So if I were to replace that, I would remove the air intake and remove the battery and just keep digging until I found it. But again, I'm not going to do that, and perhaps if you're watching this video, you're going to come to the same conclusion. If you like the video, please hit like. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's of great value to me. And if you're not subscribed to Scott's Garage, please do so. Hit the bell notification as well for upcoming videos. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.